Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Andean precious metals. This was a stock analysis request by one of the followers, and on this chart we are tracking here a wave 1 up, so a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup. Well, I have to say this could have been the wave 2 bottom, doesn't matter too much to be honest. The idea is we are still tracking here within this third wave that is developing to the upside. So we are in the third wave within this larger third wave, and even then we still have a few wave 3s to complete. The idea is we are tracking another 1-2, and then this is a series of 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Then this could be the third wave that is finally completing, and then we could get a fourth and another fifth and complete our first wave 3. That would allow then another series of 4-5-4-5 to come in and complete this even larger wave 3. But as you can see, we are in a pretty significant and aggressive uptrend. That is the idea. We aren't going to count exactly how many 4-5 patterns we have yet to actually complete this movement to the upside. We just have a lot of strength here in the RSI, and there isn't any divergence yet, so it's really suggesting continuation in this trend. The trend is also clearly getting stronger and stronger to the upside, but yeah, looking here on the weekly, I'm not sure how much longer it is going to continue within the third wave and when we will actually get a completion before it cools down a little more and gets the first divergence. And regardless of that, we are still tracking direct continuation to the upside. Now here in the shorter time frame is where I started adding the micro count again. I didn't bother adding the count for this 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Or sorry, for this one too I did, but yeah, you get the idea. And here within this third wave, in my opinion, we are tracking, could be more than one, but let's say we have the 1-2, then this could be the third wave up, possibly completed here, and then we would be looking for a fourth and the fifth, and then maybe we can consider this third wave complete. We will be tracking the support zone that would really indicate, but to be honest, in this time frame it might actually overlap with the other support zone that would consider that this third wave is complete with the support zone that would be for this fourth wave. So we may not get a clear answer whether we would still continue the movement in this wave 3. We would have to maybe use some other indicators to get a more clear suggestion on that that part. But yeah, even here I have to say this could be another 1-2, this could be the third, fourth and fifth. Yeah, let's not get too much into the short time frame here. The main support zone that we are looking for in this area is between the $4.8 level down to the $4.4. Now after forming this top, probably after we bottomed here and even touched the support zone, so we may technically be already within the fifth wave here, but I would actually be looking still for a larger wave 4 to match this 1-2 setup. So let's even add the last micro count here that I'm going to add on this chart for now, and yeah, this is what we are mainly focusing on. But the thing is, this third wave may still not be quite complete, so a shift may be necessary once we complete it for this support zone to be completely accurate, but I think you get the idea. So for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.